Hey, what's up, guys? We are going to talk about Google Ads call offline conversion with Google Tag Manager and Sheets. The requirements to start is to have access, a standard access in a Google Ads account, a phone number located in the allowed countries for the Google forwarding numbers. By the way, are these countries you see in the screen? All right. The links related to this guide, you will find it in the description of this video. Furthermore, you have to have the capacity of track the exact moment the calls enter to your CRM or call center. Furthermore, Google Tag Manager publisher access. In this video, I have a different approach compared with my previous videos where I show you the whole process hands-on, the exact feature and adding the tag. On this video we are going to focus on the overview of the flow. I want to explain you how it is the flow, do a short video, and then if this video have interest we can get a little bit deeper on the setup. So let's dive in. So everything starts with a Google Ads campaign, and to roll this setup you need at least a Google from Ads campaign and conversion action, or a calls from your website conversion action. You can have both. I recommend you have both. The first is what happens when someone see an ad and has the capacity of call from the ad, and the other is when the lead go to your website and then makes a call from the website. All right, so in the process of seeing an ad and making a call, or go to the website and make the call, like this is the share step. A lead makes a call. This is very easy to explain, but then like the sales team or the staff receive that and add this conversion into a CRM. After this happens, we have to pull the data from the CRM into a Google Sheet. All right, and then this spreadsheet will be uploaded in a schedule into Google Ads conversion import. All right, so I'm going to explain you the whole process very fast so we can do video shorts, and you can go to the documentation and go back to this diagram when you need to. All right, so for calls from ads setup, you need to set up first an offline conversion. You have to create a Google Ads offline conversion, and in the guide that I attached to this video you will find more instruction, but basically you need to create an offline conversion in Google Ads. Also, you need to create a calls from ads conversion action. This is by default. You just need to add it to Google Ads. And furthermore, you need to add a phone number under the assets of the campaign. So all these three steps are necessary to make this work if you want to set up calls from ads. If you want to set up also or calls from website, you need also to create an offline conversion, right, as we mentioned, but also you need to do the following step. You need to create a Google calls from ads conversion action. And by the way, I just fixed this because this is a call from website, right? Because the call from ads is the other option. You need to create that conversion. Furthermore, you need to add a phone number. Let me move this a little bit. You need to add a phone number in your website, so you have to have the exact number you will add, and you work with all the setup. You have to add the exact same number. I recommend you to not add plus sign in the numbers if possible, because Tag Manager can have some issue with that. You will find everything in the documentation attached. Furthermore, you need to add a Google tag with the Google Ads tag ID. You need to add it in Tag Manager, and you have to add an extra parameter, like in the Google tag configuration. Where you add the tag ID, then below that you will see something called events parameter. So you will add this parameter phone conversion number into the Google tag configuration parameter, and you will add the number there in the Google tag, the main tag. Furthermore, you will add Google Ads call from website conversion tag. This is a specific tag for conversion, for call conversion. You have to add that. This is available in a Google Tag Manager container, so you should find that. And you have to add the phone number as it is displayed on the website, and the conversion ID and the conversion label of that conversion set in Google Ads. So you set that first in Google Ads, the conversion, and you will add the conversion ID and conversion label. All right. After you have all that published and you have that live and with the campaigns, and if you have all these items in blue right here, if you have everything there, the setup should work. Furthermore, you have to set a process that can be manually or automated, where you pull data from your CRM, and the exact data you need from your CRM is the following. You need the caller's phone number, call start time, conversion name, and this conversion name refers to this conversion that you created in previous steps. Furthermore, the conversion time, this is different from the call start time, right? Conversion value, conversion currency, and the consent of the user. So the consent, you need to take the consent here at the beginning, at least from the website part, and then you have to pass it and also from your CRM into the spreadsheet if the user consent or not. About the conversion time, if you don't have the conversion time, having the call start time, and you can like tweak the data so you can increase 1 hour after the call start time. If you do that, the setup will work. Just make sure that the start time is the exact, because Google has that information. And if you have asked yourself about how this setup work, well, when you set up this solution in Google, and if the user go to your website or calls from an ad, Google will swap your number in the user's phone, and in that way, Google will have information about the call. So it triangulates your call basically. All right. So after you have the call, you can schedule. After you have the spreadsheet with the data I show you here, then you can upload in a scheduled way in Google Ads. There is a lot of documentation on how to do that, so I won't show you this. So after you set up everything, this flow in yellow will happen. People will see your ads, will make a call, then your sales team will add the conversion in a CRM, then you will pull the data, and this will upload and send the conversion back to your Google Ads campaign to determine which campaign worked or not. Tell me, what do you think about this format of video where I show you like the flow of the data? Maybe this is helpful for you if you are trying to learn how to do this setup. Please let me know in the comments what do you think about this new setup. If you want to get back to the long videos. I hope you're well. Have a nice day and see you on the next tutorial.